sin's never gonna let me win. Under everything, just another human being. I don't wanna hurt, there's so much in this world to make me bleed. Stay with me, you're all I see. Did I say that I need you? Did I say that I want you? Oh, if I didn't, I'm a fool, you see. No one knows this more than me, as I come clean. This is Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and in this lesson, how to play the Willie Nelson version of the Eddie Vedder song, Just Breathe. This lesson is requested by Joni Dunbar, who first informed me that Willie Nelson had covered Eddie Vedder. I was a bit astonished at first, simply because I never think of Willie Nelson and Eddie Vedder in the same week, much less the same breath. However, I think you'll agree that this interpretation is just perfect. I'm going to show you the chords first like usual. The first one is a C. First finger goes on the 2nd string, 1st fret. Your middle finger goes on the 4th string, 2nd fret. And your ring finger goes on the 5th string, 3rd fret. And you're going to play 5 strings. To play the G chord, we're going to let the first finger hang. We're going to put the middle finger over on the 5th string, 2nd fret. The ring finger goes on the 6th string, 3rd fret, so you can just move them both together like that from the C. And your pinky curls up and gets the 1st string on the 3rd fret. A minor, you have your first finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret. Middle finger goes on the 4th string, 2nd fret. And your ring finger kind of crowds behind that. You have to adjust the middle finger a little bit to get your ring finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Play 5 strings. To play the F chord for this song, you're going to want to master this barred F chord so you can get that nice low bass note. A good exercise to master the barred F chord is to start on the 9th fret with your first finger and play all the strings. Make sure they all sound good. Slide it up a fret, down pitch-wise, another fret, another fret. Okay, you got to work that around. Make sure you get it straight across on the fret. Make sure you're pushing down evenly. And just practice that every night until you get down to this fret and can make all of them, and then work on putting the other fingers in. You'll find once you have them on the right strings that it's actually easier to play with all your fingers than just the one. For the F chord, your first finger goes all the way across the 1st fret. Very important that you get a nice low F note on the 6th string. Middle finger goes on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Ring finger goes on the 5th string, 3rd fret. The pinky crowds behind that, so it's on the 4th string, 3rd fret. Play all 6 strings. The D minor chord, your first finger goes on the 1st string, 1st fret. Middle finger goes on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. And your ring finger goes between them on the 2nd string on the 3rd fret. Play 4 strings. Now later on in the chorus, you're going to be asked to play a D minor with a C in the bass. Take your pinky across, put it on the 5th string, 3rd fret, and that'll give you your C in the bass. To play the G with a B in the bass, just play a regular B chord, but leave out the 6th string, start on the 5th. As I come clean. At the very end of the song, meet you on the other side. We have 2 new chords. We have an F minor and a C major 7. Now play the F minor, once you've mastered this F, is quite simple. All you do is pick up your middle finger. And that's an F minor chord. To play a C major 7, play a C and pick up your first finger. Don't you wish all new chords were that easy? Now for the fun part, the finger picking. Here's the basic pattern I'm using. To slow that down, we're starting with the thumb like usual. But then the second note I'm hitting, because I'm putting a little rest in there, is the thumb on the 3rd string. If you want to play it with your first finger, that's fine. I find it easier to go
back and forth between my thumb and my first finger for fast notes. So I'm using my middle finger to play the first string. Even slower. Now, if you miss a string, you're holding down the chord, so it's still going to sound fine. Then I was just pretty much hitting whatever strings my fingers got to. The main thing is to hit that root note, in this case a C, on the downbeat. When you switch to the G, of course, your downbeat's going to be on the 6th string. The finger pattern for these pretty much remains the same. D minor, same thing, only your 4th string. On F, your root is also the 6th string. A minor is the 5th string. But notice these two fingers are pretty much playing the same notes all the way through. In the intro, there's one riff that you're going to want to be able to play. The main thing I'm doing is I'm doing a hammer-on the 4th string. All you do is you play the 4th string open, and then slam your middle finger down where it normally goes in the C chord. And then I'm playing the 3rd string right after it. Use your thumb or your first finger, either one's fine. The fun thing about this is it works almost exactly the same on a G chord. All you're doing is you're playing the 4th string open, slamming that down again, right where it was on the C chord on the 2nd fret. And there you have the opening lick. Now, this is not the easiest first finger picking song, so if you have a lot of trouble with it, check the links below this video for other finger picking lessons to help get you started. If you have to play it now and you have the chords down, try it with a fast strum like this. What I call a boom diggy diggy. Make sure you hit the root note. Boom diggy diggy diggy. You can even throw in the lick. To check the links below for a chord chart and other songs that you might like to learn. Below that, there's a gray box that's for your questions and comments. If you didn't understand something, I probably left it out and it's my fault. This is Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this has been How to Play Just Breathe by Eddie Vedder as covered by Willie Nelson. Thank you for watching. Nothing you would take, everything you gave, love you till I die, meet you on the other side.